Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning variable and data types in JS. Watch this video till the end. Please support this channel. Variables are containers that store data or information. It is like a box where you can add numbers, strings, etc. In JavaScript, you can create variables using var, let, and const. Var is an old way to declare variables. Var is a function scoped means its value is available inside the function where declared. Let, it is a modern way to declare variables. It is block scoped and works inside block. We cannot redeclare but we can reassign in the same scope. Const, used for constants and cannot be redeclared and reassigned. It is also block scoped. Let's look at a quick demonstration. You can see that we are able to declare variable again and again without any error, which can create problem if you use var in a code of more than 100 lines. So it is recommended to avoid using var. Instead of var, it is recommended to use let. You can clearly see an error line when we are redeclaring the same variable again. Instead of redeclaring, we can reassign the variable. Let's look at const, which is used to declare constant. We can neither redeclare nor reassign a const variable. You can see an error line when we are trying to redeclare or reassigning the variable. Now let's understand how let and const are block scoped. We have declared a variable a inside a block and we are trying to print the value of the variable within the block and also outside the block. But when we are writing the console.log outside the block, it is unable to recognize the variable a. Same happens with const as well. This is the reason why let and const are called block scoped, because we cannot access these variables outside the block. In case of var, it is not block scoped, it is function scoped, means we cannot access var outside a function, it is declared inside a function. Let's look at the same. As you can see, it is unable to recognize the variable outside the function. There are two types of data type in JavaScript: primitive data types, non-primitive data types. Primitive data types. Primitive data types are the basic data types in JavaScript. They store a single value and cannot be changed, means they are immutable. Here are some of the examples of primitive data types: string number, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, big int. This is the way you can declare. 2. Non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types are objects that can store multiple values together. They are mutable and can be changed after creation. Here are some of the examples of non-primitive data types: array, object, and functions. This is the way you can declare. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.